hard, and you slide it in the right spot.
Yeah, and it stores a lot of important stuff.
I always keep mine in my wallet just in case.
Mine lets me pay for things.
Bro, what?
Spy detected.
It's soft, you squeeze it, and it relieves stress.
Yeah, I use mine when I'm under pressure.
I can't go a day without mine.
I sleep on mine every night.
That's not how stress balls work, dude.
Spy detected. It's long and gets wet when you put it in your mouth.
Yeah, it's sweet and melts if you don't use it fast.